You think your interior designer's pretty portfolio is enough? Think again. Finding a trustworthy renovator goes way beyond just good design. That's where Hausmark comes in. We are the authority when it comes to assessing renovation firms, and we do it like no one else. We use a unique three-part system to get the real story. First, we gather public feedback and reviews. Second, we act on confidential tip-offs. And the third, most crucial part, our secret weapon, mystery shoppers. Our trained assessors go undercover, equipped with hidden cameras and voice recorders. They visit showrooms, get quotations, and experience the entire process just like a real customer would. They check everything from sales tactics and pricing transparency to professionalism and product knowledge. After their fieldwork, they bring their findings back to the office. We combine their first-hand experience with public feedback and tip-offs to create a comprehensive evaluation. This rigorous process means not every renovator makes the cut. Only the best, most reliable firms earn our stamp of approval. Don't leave your dream home to chance. Trust Hausmark to find the renovator you deserve. Follow us for more insights.